Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, this is another piece on Project 56. This is my front splash pan that goes between the bumper and the grill. So uh, let's get it ready for paint here. Okay guys, I've cleaned off my splash pan here. I've done put the cleaner on there. Now I've got the prep, the paint prep on like the acid wash and everything. So let it sit on there for a little bit, and then we'll be painting it before long here. Now we rinse off the prep. I've done rinsed the bottom side, so okay, this is what it looks like after we rinse the prep off of it before we paint it. As you can see, it etches the metal and everything, and it's supposed to put a coating on the rust so it won't rust back. So we'll let this dry just a few more minutes here, and then we'll put it on our paint board. Okay, now it's time to paint, and we're going to put this glossy black Peel War 15. And what I want to do, I'm going to paint the other side first, so be sure to put you some gloves on. You don't want to get your oils off your fingers onto the piece. And I'm using a paint board here that I use for my woodworking projects. If you're interested in it, you can see what my video of it. I'll put a description of it in the video here. We want to paint the back side first, and then we flip it over. So if there's a run or something on the back side, it won't matter. So let me paint the back side here first. Okay, I poured on some in a little cup here and sealed the can up. You do not want to paint out the can, and I recommend getting the little 4-ounce cans unless you're going to be painting a lot, because this stuff will set up if you don't watch it. So let me begin painting here. I would wear gloves, because this stuff gets on you, it's hard to get off. Now once you get the back side done, gently down, flip it over. Now we can paint the front side. Go ahead and hit the areas where it's kind of went through. Okay, I've got the front side there I'm painting now. So all we got to do is wait till it dries. And if you want to, you can put a second coat of this stuff on after 2 hours, up to 72 hours. So this is another part done for my 56. If you stay tuned for more updates. As always, thanks for watching, guys.